Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bose Smart Speaker 500 with Bose Music app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Bose Smart Speaker 500. Make sure you have the power cable and the speaker. Find a suitable location for your speaker, ideally in an open area for optimal sound. Plug the power cable into the speaker and connect it to a wall outlet. You'll notice the speaker lights will turn on, indicating it's powered. Download the Bose Music app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Bose Music app on your mobile device. Create a Bose account or sign in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, tap on the Add Product option in the app. Select Bose Smart Speaker 500 from the list of available speakers. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the setup. The app will prompt you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your password. Once connected, the app will confirm the successful Wi-Fi setup. Now, assign a name for your speaker to identify it easily. You can choose from preset names or create a custom one. The app may prompt you to update your speaker's software if an update is available. Follow the instructions to update, if necessary. After the setup is complete, explore the app's features. Connect your music streaming accounts through the app. You can also set up personalized voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. Adjust the speaker settings according to your preferences. Enjoy the seamless functionality of your Bose Smart Speaker 500. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.